when we first arrive at the customer location, we initialize the project and we build the map only once with one robot, and then that map is synced to all other robots in the fleet. And since the logistics environments at our customers are very dynamic and change very rapidly, even after a few hours, the environment that the robots operate in is very different to the environment that we initially mapped. And so in order to avoid a requirement to build a map every day or even more often, we implemented, let's say, 3 stages into our localization algorithms that allow it to cope with those changes. The first stage is the robustness of the algorithm itself. It has built-in features that allow it to track only static parts of the environment, and it requires only a few of those static, let's say, features in the environment in order to operate accurately. In numbers, we would say that even, let's say, 50% of the environment needs to remain the same, and its localization would still perform accurately enough for our robots to navigate through that environment. The second is that our localization algorithm continuously tracks the quality of the robot location it reports to other algorithms. And if that quality falls below the certain threshold, then it automatically starts to update the map, the stored map. So without any customer interaction, it automatically updates the map it initially built. So the next time it arrives at that location, the location quality at that location will be significantly higher again. And the final stage is when, in most severe cases, for example, when we need to add a completely new room to the environment, or the environment changes, let's say 100% due to some redesign of the place or something like that, then in that case, in order to again avoid rebuilding the entire map of the entire environment, we have an option to just add new space to the existing map, which then it is not done automatically. It requires again the operator to drive the robot using a joystick around that environment, but only around the environment that has changed so significantly or that is completely new. We don't require rebuilding the entire environment from scratch. So as you can see, our localization algorithms are built from scratch in order to be able to cope with dynamic changes that are constantly occurring in our customer environments.